Thank you for tuning in to Wakes and Wheels. We were in Turlock this last weekend, and we would have had a film out. We're trying to get them out a little quicker. We had a little issue with cameras this week, and we're learning. We're learning as we go. Every week it seems it isn't
a new problem.
It is, isn't it? And so we've been slow with getting them out. We're stressing on getting them out to you to give you something to watch. We really see we're getting some followers, and we like it. We're getting some views. We started a new deal this time with interviewing people a little bit more and getting some more knowledge on their cars that they know about, where we could guess or him and haw around, but let's get it from who wrote the book, you know?
Right.
And so we have about 5 interviews or so in this one, and had a blast. Again, it was a great weekend. Weather was perfect. Couldn't ask for better weather. And it was a good show.
Good show.
All right, we'll see you at the end. Thank you again for tuning in.
Enjoy.
Rundown on your truck.
So this is a 53 Chevy pickup. I have a 350 engine crate motor inside. It's a 350 tranny. I got 86 S10 rear end in there. I got 4 pump setup hydraulics. We got AC in there, vintage air. Everything works. All my lights work. Headlights, fog lights, my reverse lights. They all work. And
how long have you owned the truck?
Probably about over 30 years now.
Over 30 years, yeah. So you've built everything.
Yeah, I stripped it down from the ground up.
Who did this paint job? This is
me and my friend did.
Really?
Yeah.
You painted this truck?
Yeah, me and my friend, we did it together. So,
I dig these sparkly
the
paint
flake?
jobs.
Yeah.
They're one of, that's old school. I mean,
That's old school. Yeah, so when I started redoing the paint job, I told them I wanted to go an old school paint job.
Yeah.
Like 80s, 90s.
Yeah.
This is what we ended up with.
Yeah.
So we did it in his garage.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it's mine right here.
Right on, brother. Nice truck.
Hey, we're coming up. This is our show right here.
We're okay. Your C10's down at the river.
Yes, sir.
We did you last year.
I know. I think you guys were the one saying, "Hey, we're gonna go to this little town."
Yeah, that was us.
You
That
guys were
was
driving.
us.
I don't think there's gonna be much. We had 300 trucks there.
It was an awesome show. It
Yeah,
was our first big hit.
Yeah, this year we're limited it to 400, and it's gonna be
Awesome.
legit. Yeah, we're the
Well,
ones who
we
put it
look
on.
forward to being there. We heard you guys were here, and that's why we shot over here for
Hell
sure.
yeah, dude.
So
Well, appreciate it. I ran into the video and I showed to the guys.
awesome.
More on the floor.
I can let off the clutch if you want.
Wait.
We've got just the classes, equipment, and coaching you need to take you from weekend warrior to summer superhero. And
Is that your truck? Which one's yours?
The black and yellow one.
Where you at? Let's go check it out. Give me an interview. Tell me about your truck.
It's a 1968 Chevy C10 long bed. I got it painted already like this, and we've done everything underneath. Airbag, all been rewired. Disc brakes, drop spindles, crate motor, edel block on top, vintage air. It's been all redone. A lot of help from Kevin's Classics. Great guy. Everything you can imagine, tilt steering, shifter, Dakota digital dash, all pretty much ready to rock and roll, go wherever we need to go.
Nice.
75.
How long have you owned the truck?
Probably about 5 years, and the last 2-3 is when we've been able to cruise up and down the state of California.
Boom.
No problem.
So how long did it take you to build the truck?
Oh, we're always building. We're always adding something to it. Something's always, it's never ending.
Aren't you? Don't you know? Yes.
Yes.
Well, you'll be on Wakes and Wheels, brother.
Appreciate
Glad
it,
to
bro.
have
Thank you.
Thank you for your
I will
hard
look it
work.
up.
You have a good day.
You too.
from the back side. Tell me about your truck and talk to the camera.
Where's the camera?
The camera's looking at your motor.
Okay. 350 crate with the Edelbrock Pro Flow 4 DFI, built by Edelbrock Racing, with a 700R tranny, the rolling thunder cam, with the custom torque converter to match both.
Nice. Now, how long you had the truck?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
And you had it built?
Mechanical was all done since I got it. The body was complete. That's what suckered me in.
Got you. Beautiful truck. Oh yeah. Right on.
So then the brakes were done, 6 piston fronts, 4 in the rear, bagged, steering wheel.
Yeah.
All my American flag cut. Full bumper to bumper rewire, stinger head right there.
Yeah.
Digital, vintage air.
Nice. All right. Nice truck. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Subscribe, like, and share.
I write for Top Speed, so I'll tag you. I'll see if Top Speed will work with you.
How cool is that? Thank you so much. How you doing? This your truck?
Yes, sir.
Right on. Can I put you on YouTube? Man, I love the color. Now, is that what color is that?
I'm going to call it a Caribbean.
Okay. So how long you have the truck?
My brother built it frame off.
Oh, okay.
For the last, I don't know, 5, 6 years.
Can I put you on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So tell me about your truck. What do you got under the hood?
It's 350 with a 700
Okay.
transmission.
And now, who restored the truck?
My brother restored it. He's restored probably 50 or 60 different kinds of trucks
Really?
over the years.
Where's he out of?
He's out of Dos Palace.
Okay.
Yeah,
Local.
I'm out of Sacramento.
Okay.
And this is probably the last truck that he's going to officially get it all done.
Yeah.
And so I decided I wanted it.
Oh yeah.
I said, when
get
you're
it.
ready to sell it, bro,
I get it.
I'll buy it. So try to keep it in the family.
That's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. That's a cool story.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful truck. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, party people, you guys see your iPhone anywhere? Can you please bring it to the DJ booth? Somebody lost their iPhone as well, the black one.
right. Well, you're here at the end. That means you watch the show. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I can't tell you enough how much we enjoy doing this and talking with people. We have those interviews, some nice people. And, again, beautiful cars, huh?
Mm-hmm. Trucks.
Yeah. All right, Scratch.
There are a few cars in there.
Thank you for being here at the end. That means you watched the whole show. And we thank you much. I hope you subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, shoot us a comment, and let us know if you got any shows anywhere you want us to go watch. And a lot of nice trucks.
We got another show out of this one, and we'll tack it on the end, so there should be a link to it.
And then we got a C10 show coming up.
That one's in October. I just saw that today, so that's a little ways out.
The one at the river?
Yeah.
That's the one we did last year. It was our first show, wasn't it? Our first car show.
Yeah.
And we've seen how everybody enjoyed it, and so here we are doing car shows.
Back to where it all started.
Back where we started. Again, thank you for watching.
Thank you.